Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trig identities. We'll start by building a strong foundation. First, grasp the three reciprocal identities, like cosecant being 1 over sine. Next, master the two quotient identities, which define tangent as sine over cosine and cotangent as cosine over sine. Finally, commit the three Pythagorean identities to memory, such as sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. These 9 identities are absolutely crucial for all further learning. Now, let's talk about effective learning strategies. Create flashcards for each identity or develop clever mnemonic devices to aid your memory. A powerful technique is to practice deriving identities directly from the unit circle, which deepens your conceptual understanding. Most importantly, solve a wide variety of practice problems consistently. Aim for at least 10 to 15 problems daily to solidify your knowledge and build confidence in applying these rules. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to explore more advanced identities. Delve into the sum and difference formulas for sine and cosine, which are essential for combining angles. Next, learn the double angle and half angle identities, crucial for simplifying expressions involving multiples or fractions of angles. These powerful tools allow you to simplify complex trigonometric expressions and solve challenging equations, expanding your problem-solving capabilities significantly. Finally, let's discuss how to avoid common pitfalls. Always exercise extreme caution with algebraic manipulation, especially when dealing with positive and negative signs. Remember, identities are true for all valid inputs, unlike equations which hold for specific values. Make sure you understand this fundamental difference. Consistent, regular review of all identities is key to long-term retention and proficiency. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes daily to keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.